my name's Amethyst with WTI, and I have probably my favorite purchase that I've made for my work from home desk setup. This monitor stand is incredible. I absolutely love it for so many different reasons. Something that is really cool about this is that it is really efficient while also allowing me space to decorate and show off my cute little decor that just makes me a little bit more excited to get to work. I love this drawer in the center. It fits almost every type of book that I've tried to fit in it, fits papers perfectly. I also really love this little slot right here for your phones and tablets. It is one of the best designs here because I do like to watch YouTube while I'm working. I have a job where I can do that, and this has been a great way for me to have my phone charged while still being able to enjoy videos because it has those little slots for the cords, which is great. I really love how this has given me the ability to decorate my desk while not compromising on efficiency. It's given me more space to use my desk, and it's given me a lot of, honestly, joy because I get to decorate my desk how I want to now because I have that space. So if you're someone who's struggling with a desk setup, I highly recommend that you check this one out. It's been such a game changer for me, and that is my point of view.